Our scene opens on a sunny afternoon with two figures seated across a table at a cozy cafe in Turin, Italy. It's none other than Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo, two of football's greatest icons. The intense rivalry they've shared on the pitch is legendary, yet today, their competition takes a back seat. They laugh, they share tales of their fiercest matches, and they speak of personal trials that have tested their resolve, their eyes aglow with the passion of the beautiful game. But what permeates the entire conversation is an unmistakable sense of camaraderie, an unbreakable bond built on mutual respect. The camera gently sweeps over their candid interaction, capturing the real individuals beneath the football superstars. Messi jabs playfully at Ronaldo about a particularly tense El Clasico. Ronaldo recounts the times Messi's deft maneuvers left him in awe. Contrary to the media-hyped rivalry, they admire and inspire each other, their friendship, a testament to their greatness beyond football. With every shared laughter and nods of empathy, they subtly remind millions of their